The following segment is sponsored by Smith Injury Law and 300hurt.com.
If you are ever seriously injured in an auto crash or hurt in some kind of accident, you will want to work with an experienced attorney right away. Richard Smith from Smith Injury Law is with us today to talk about it. Good morning, Richard.
Good morning, Margaret.
First, you've said one of the early questions you get right away, somebody will say, what is my case worth? What do you tell your clients?
Well, it's very difficult at the beginning of the case to know what the case is worth. It's based upon several factors: the seriousness of the injury, the amount of insurance coverage, the conduct of the defendant, and whether there's a liability question or not. So all those aspects have to be evaluated first before we can determine the value of the case.
Right, but you are in a position to discuss the value of the case. So tell us about that process and what goes into it.
Once we've done all that and we've negotiated the top offer with the insurance company, then we sit down with the client and go over their options. We explain to them what we think the case is worth in terms of a jury value and what it's worth by way of settlement. And we try to go over that with them to give them the information they need to make an informed decision.
And while it's the client's decision whether to accept an offer, you're really there to help them make an informed decision, right?
Yes, we sit down with the client personally and go over all aspects of their case, what we think the worst case scenario is and the best case scenario, and we give them the facts that they need to make an informed decision that's not based on emotion.
And really, an attorney is there to help navigate the process. There's a lot going on in the aftermath of an accident. And at Smith Injury Law, your practice areas include personal injury, workers' compensation, car and truck collisions, and Social Security disability claims. Is there anything else you want people to keep in mind or just know about the way you practice?
It's very important people to understand that they are the boss. They hire the attorney. The attorney works for them. If the attorney they hire will not talk to them, will not meet with them, will not discuss the case with them, then they need to really consider getting another attorney.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, people will love to work with you. They can contact you by calling 300HURT or visiting 300hurt.com. Richard Smith, Smith Injury Law, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Margaret.